Today I'm excited to share the final version of my Mapillary widget for Esri Experience Builder. This project started as a simple integration experiment, but over time it evolved into a fully featured production-ready widget with advanced controls, performance options, and customizable user interface behavior. In this video series, I'm going to walk through every feature step by step. Not just how to use them, but also how they affect the user experience inside your applications. We'll explore things like map synchronization, coverage modes, turbo navigation, UI customization, rendering behavior, camera control, and advanced developer settings. If you're working with Experience Builder or you're integrating Mapillary imagery into GIS workflows, this series will help you understand exactly what's possible and how to configure it effectively. Let's start by taking a quick look at the final widget in action. Here you can see the widget running inside an Experience Builder application. On the left side, we have the configuration panel where all behavior can be controlled, and on the main view, we have the Mapillary viewer integrated directly with the map. In the upcoming videos, we'll go through each section one by one and demonstrate what every option actually does.